Hello guys, welcome back to the VeeHive. Well, you know, Mother's Day is right around the corner, so we may have some visitors in our home for Mother's Day. Well guys, what I'm going to bring you today is how to make a charcuterie board on a budget, so stay tuned. Welcome to VeeHive. Okay guys, I'm going to do a charcuterie board that is very inexpensive and will be very pretty and advertising and pleasing to the eye. So if you're ready for how I'm going to do my board, stay tuned. For your board, first of all, is a cutting board, wood board. You can use glass, any type of that you want to add on it. Porcelain, it doesn't matter, but this is what I will be using. I will also be using the cotton candy grapes, some olives, some vegetable crackers and original crackers, some mixed nuts, strawberries, pistachios, cheese, and I have the cubes, hard salami, and my favorite, a pineapple, guys. Yes, a pineapple. Pretzels, and we have some midget sweet pickles. So that is what we'll be using. So let's get started.
I was very indecisive of how I wanted to make the design, but guys, these crackers were giving me the work. But nevertheless, you will see I did accomplish what I wanted with the crackers. So these are the original crackers. And remember, this is my first time doing it. in my grapes, I made sure that it was a stem of 3 or 4. So it'd be very, very handy and easy to pick up without having the long string of grapes. Just look, you always have to have that one grape that want to be disobedient. Grapes.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say.
Thank you so much for coming here to the VeeHive. You know you are always so welcome here at the VeeHive with me, Vandessa. So guys, I pray that you have a blessed day. I love everyone. And remember to share, comment, and you know, I have another premieres coming. So have a super weekend. Love you guys.
Every time we kiss, can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. All of your love. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this.